Thanks for watching our video. We're at the Piano Solutions Restoration Shop. And as you know, we did a lot of restoration. And sometimes we work on the pianos over 100 years old. That's one of them. It's a Steinway Model B, 140 years old. What you might expect on this piano? First of all, you expect to do a big job. And that's why they gave me this piano, because they know that I do complete restoration using all my special tools. I did a lot of Model Bs, but this is unusual piano, and that's inspired me to do this big job. What's unusual? As you remember, this great design of they call it copper bar, that this portion of string between this actual bar and brass pieces here, they just create some kind of sound. But on this piano, unusually long pieces, they just some of them 60 millimeters long, that on a regular B it might be like 30 millimeters, maybe a little bit more, sometimes less. That's why I'm expect from this piano some kind of unique sound in a more, they call it critical section. And but in order to test it, you have to create do the big restoration on this piano. That it was done. Soundboard original. Of course, I don't replace the soundboards because they're very valuable. Would become new property after centuries. But anyway, once the piano was done, we experienced this unique sound that's only this piano probably possess. It's some kind of wooden sound, like that you brought it like from Congo, from some drums. Of course, you know that it's percussion music instrument. The hammer head with a high speed hit the string. That they produce this noise similar to drums, but this unusually gets some kind of, like, I don't know even how to explain it. This sound is charming, and many musicians who came and played this piano, they're just shocked about this. The only one challenge on this piano that I'm considering just even not so important is 85 keys instead of 88 keys. They make this in all time, they make 85 keys. There's most antique pianos, they got 85 keys that I consider just like, and not only me, many musicians says it's not a big problem when you just want to just enjoy when you play this piano. Of course, it's not only this section unique, but even tenor section and the bass. They're just unusually pure, and it's probably I might consider it because the wood after this 140 years came to this certain new property. And yeah, of course, there's no doubt about this piano, unique and probably the only one that exists nowadays. Thanks for watching, and we hope that you might enjoy it. You can try the pianos of this level. Thanks a lot.